Hi beauties, good morning. So welcome to Ivy's space. So today's video we are going to be doing clean with me. It's a very light cleaning. I only have the kitchen to clean this morning, and we are also going to be going grocery shopping. I want to go to an African grocery store to get my Nigerian food, and I will be taking you guys along with me. So before we go, I just want to clean the kitchen, sweep the floor and mop the floor, and yeah, just get things ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow is my meal prep day. So I just want to get the house clean, and yeah, come with me, let's clean the kitchen together and then we'll go shopping. All right, so let's go.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
So guys, the kitchen is clean, swept, everything is ready. So I'm going to be going for the grocery shopping right now. Guys, come with me and let's do the grocery, the African grocery shopping. So let's go. So we are ready. I'm going to put on my shoes. They're all in the car waiting for me. So put on my shoes. Oh. So my shoes is on, jacket on, and let's go and do grocery shopping. Take my bag. Yeah, so I'm ready. I had just made a coffee that I can drink in the car. The ride is pretty long. It's about 44 or 45 minutes drive to the store. I want to get my grocery done, so I have my coffee with me. So let's go. Just make sure I turn off all the lights in the house. So raining, so it's a very gloomy day today, so it's the best day for a long drive anyway, so yeah, let's go. So guys, we're here. We're going to go inside. I'm going to leave the kids with daddy inside because I don't want to expose them to so many stuff over there, you know, epidemic. So I'm just going to put on my mask. Oh, this mask smells so good because I store my mask with hair freshener, and it smells so good whenever I put it on. So I'm just going to go inside. I'm always forgetting my glasses anyway. So we're just going to go inside and do some grocery shopping. Let's go. We got the meat, we got the food, and I also end up getting some meat pies, fish rolls, all those good stuff.
And we ate cookies.
That you don't get to like eat every single day. So this is like a African Nigerian delicacy. It's like this is meat pie. I got some fish rolls, and they are still very hot, guys. I was about to leave the store, and the bakery people, or the person who was bringing this in just came in, and I'm like, nope, I'm not going to go buy it and just leave. So I end up grabbing some goodies we can eat in the car, and I got some fresh egg roll. Guys, I don't know if I can have this, but just looking at it alone is so satisfying to me. Yeah, so we end up spending about $700 right now. As I mentioned before, African food in Canada costs a whole lot of money. Let me take this mask out anyway. So African food costs a whole lot of money here in Canada. If you have somebody back home or somebody going back home and can get you some of this stuff, it will be cheaper for you than to buy it here. Here is really, really, really expensive. But because I don't do this all the time, I shop for my tradition food at least every 6 months, 5 months. When I come, I make sure I get everything that I need, so I don't have to be driving all the way from Durham to Jane and Finch, because this is Eddystone. This is Eddystone, so it's really far. It's about 40 minutes and 45 minutes drive. It's a whole lot. Like it takes a whole day, like a half of your day. So yeah, that's all we got. I hope you guys like it. If I get home, I still have the energy to film it. I will show you guys everything that I got from this store. And it's Mosaic. If you live in Toronto, Canada, you can go there. They're really nice, they're really friendly, they attend to you, they answer your questions. And yeah, so yeah, that is all about it. I hope I can film the whole thing for you guys before we get home. I don't think we're going to wait before we get home for these goodies. I think the kids are going to be munching on it while we're driving. So yeah, that was all about the shopping with me today. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Please guys, push the subscribe button down below if you haven't, and also push the like button down below. Push the the bell button down below, so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So the kids are at the back and they were playing their game all through. So I'll see you guys later. Bye guys, we are home. This is all the stuff we got. So I have the bread, the meat pies, and buff. We ate 2 in the car already, and this is the white meat fish. This is the goat meat. I got 2 bags. This is the smoked turkey. This is the catfish that was on sale. I'm going to do a catfish pepper soup. Guys, I really wanted to buy this, and it was on sale. I think it was $35. Originally it was $45 a box, and it was now $35 a box. So I got a box. I got my cow food, I got my shaki, and I also have my fresh turkey in here. I have my pounded yam, my rice, my vegetable is right here. I got it as well, and the yam. So what I do is I slice the yam off and I store them in the freezer. So this whole thing is going to last me for about a whole long time. So depend on how much we use or how much we eat. So it lasts me for a very long time. So that is what I do every year, like every half a year, every six months. I go there and I spend a whole lot of money. And yeah, I think they came up to about $600-700 we end up spending. Meat are very expensive right now. When I go to regular store, the meat, the fish, they're very expensive. This is actually a good buy because you buy in box, like in bulk, so it's cheaper. So yeah, that is all about this video, guys. I'm going to let you guys go. That is all about this video. I'm back home. I'm tired, and what I'm going to do now is just that I'm going to wash all this food and I'm going to put them away. I have 2 big freezers in the house and 2 small freezers in the house, so I can just store them away, so I don't have to be buying meat all the time, like go to the store and buy meat. And meat are not they're not cheap, they're very expensive. So for me, this is a better way of saving money. So I'm going to let you guys go. Bye.